All right, so with the Pocket 3, I've had that camera for a few years now, literally since it came out, right? And I can probably count on one hand, the amount of photos I actually took with that camera. Not a lot. On the Pocket 4, one of the new headliners are these new super photos, 37 megapixel photos, which is quite a big jump from the 9.4 megapixel photos we had on the Pocket 3. So how super are these super photos? Well, I can't have what happened with me and the Pocket 3 in the photos happen on the Pocket 4. So I said, you know what? We better get out and take some photos. So there's a couple of things to note when shooting photos with the Pocket 4. First things first, the 37 megapixels is only when you're shooting in 1:1. When you're shooting in 16:9, it's maxed out at 33 megapixels, which is obviously still a massive jump from the 9.4 on the Pocket 3. But yeah, 33 megapixels in 16:9, 37 in 1:1. You can't currently use, oh, classic, bloody standing, everywhere I stand, they're building and digging, it's just ridiculous. Right, let's go over it. You can't, what was I saying? You can't, I forgot, one sec. Okay, take two, where was I? So you cannot currently use film tones when shooting photos on the Pocket 4. The reason I say currently is because you can use film tones shooting photos on other DJI cameras, so I think it may be something they might add in a future firmware update. But as of time recording today, no film tones in photo mode. But you can use the 2x lossless zoom when shooting photos, which you can't do on the Pocket 3. But that's as far as you can zoom. You can't use the 4x digital zoom, which you probably wouldn't want to do anyway, because that would just look a bit shit. So yeah, you can use the 2x lossless when shooting photos. The Pocket 4 does support live photos, but it switches you into standard photo mode, so out of super photo mode. So that brings the resolution from 37 megapixels down to 8 megapixels if you want to shoot live photos. Obviously, another feature that we now have on the Pocket 4 is gesture control. So you can take a picture using gesture control by holding your hand up like that, like a V sign. So if you're on your own like I am now, you can just put the camera down, go like that, and then it counts down like 3, 2, 1, bang, you take your picture. And talking of countdown, the countdown timer has been increased from 7 seconds on the Pocket 3 to 10 seconds on the Pocket 4. Oh yes, got the blank street. Let's get a picture of the blank street with the red letterbox. Okay, let's not get the kid in it. There we go. Let's go like da 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 da. Nice, I think. The thing with it is like I'm so used to like just like me. I'm just like video. Obviously, I take pictures. Like go on my Instagram, you'll see it's just like, you know, like I don't know, just when you go away or, you know, you're doing something. It's not like professional stuff, you know, it's just like snaps. So for me though, like when I'm driving around or walking around, like anywhere I am, my mind is always working like, what can I film? Like I'm always thinking about like, what can I film? I'm never really looking at something saying, Wouldn't that make a great picture? So today I've got to like switch my head because like it does, oh, would this make a great picture? Like, I don't know how good at this I'm gonna be, I'll be honest with you. Because like it is slightly different, like the whole, like I said, I'm more focused on video and I feel like there are certain things that obviously are better like photographed and are better like videoed. That's what I mean, like I just need to change my mindset like on this walk, and it's like rather than what is gonna look nice being recorded, like I don't know, does this, like maybe we could get like the bus stop in the bottom of the frame. I'm hoping, I'm thinking that I'm by what I call the burger building. Basically it's like, it's called the Gherkin, but I call it the burger building because obviously like you get the gherkins in the burgers. So I think I'm in the right place, but I can't see it. Right, this is definitely a picture. Thing is, the building's so high, when I'm looking up, I can't see the burger building. I'm telling you, the burger building's around here. That's why, because I said, let me come somewhere different. Usually I don't come over this side of London, like this is the city bit. Oh my gosh, there's the burger building. Oh my gosh, there is the burger building. Can you see it? This is the burger building. Okay, right. This is the burger building. I knew I was close, I could smell it. Look, this is the burger building. This is the burger building. Shit. Have I ever been this close to it? I've seen it on the TV. Obviously, I've seen it, but I don't think I've been this close to it. I'm so close I can touch it. This is the burger building. Right, let's get it in the center. People in the UK, if you've watched The Apprentice, you know about the burger building. This is the burger building. Wait, let me go around here. Oh, that looks actually quite nice. With the clouds, hold on, like through the alleyway, pointing up. Oh, you know what? We need to touch the burger building. We can't come to the burger building, not touch it. Are you allowed to touch it? We've got to touch it quick. Okay, we touched it. We touched the burger building. Right, let's get a different angle. Let's get it like going up before security come and escort me. Let's get it like, I'm thinking, oh yeah, that looks sick. Right, let's get one of this man. Like, let me use the 2x lossless. This man cleaning the outside of the burger building. Let's zoom in. So this is gonna be oh shit, he's walking away. Right, we'll still do it. This is 2x lossless. I can't not show you a video of the burger building. So this, right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the burger building. Look at it. Look at it. I don't know what's inside. I assume it's offices. It's got to be offices. This is like the City of London area, but this is where all like the serious shit happens. So yeah, there's probably loads of fancy offices inside it, but yeah, this is it from the outside. Right, let's get like a little kind of darkish number going on. If I do it this like alleyway bit and I get the sign in the corner, Brown's Bridge. I don't even know what that word is pronounced. Wow, what's this building here? This is like pipes. Is it like, oh my days. Shit, forget about that building. This is the building. Look, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna bend backwards like, so the camera is going, is this the Shard? I think this is the Shard. Mate, we need to get all the way back. I don't know if it is, so I need to just check on the map because I don't want to tell you that it's one thing and it's not. Nah, I don't think this is the Shard. I know you're gonna say, James, you're from London, you should know the buildings. Nah, I do not know the buildings. Like, I know the buildings, but like I don't know the buildings. Look, let's take a picture of this pipe building. Look, this is, can you see this one? This one is like got pipes and stuff. This one looks really good. This is like futuristic shit. Hold on. And then let's do a 2x losser so you can see. Right, I've switched the POV camera to my hat now because I've just watched some of the footage back from my chest, from the chest view, and I'm like aware that basically all you can see is like my hands with my like festival wristband just like there, which yeah, you don't want to see. I thought the angle, I don't know what these people are queuing for. Maybe I'll get a picture of them. Kind of want to get that man, but from behind, like, because it's like empty space. So there's a Rolex there. So I'm thinking like this. Right, I've just watched that footage back and I actually think the camera on the hat is worse. I'm gonna be conscious of not like going like this, right? I don't know like which one's better, which one's worse, but I don't know. Anyway, I want to take a picture of this lady like doing the gardening. Let's get a picture of the Windsor, the outside of the Windsor. Oh, we've got to get a letterbox. But let's get like a close-up like from the corner. I want to take a picture of me like sitting down, which obviously I don't have anyone with me. So test out the gesture control. And I'm thinking like by the plants. Whilst we're by the plants, should we take a picture of the plants? Like, what ones are the better ones? Right, let's take a picture of these plants. Right, so now we need to take a picture of me. So I think if we put the camera, turn the camera around, I'll sit here, like this. Camera's there, put my V sign up. Oh shit, it recognised it. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing there. But anyway, there you go. Yeah, was that 3 seconds? It counted down from 3, 2, 1. It went really quick. Anyway, yeah, the gesture control worked. I'll tell you what, whilst we're testing it out, let's see how far we can go. So look, there, I'm putting it down there. I'm gonna walk away over here. So this is quite far now. I can't even see, I can just about see me on the screen. Let's hold it up. Oh, it's recognised it. That's pretty cool. Right, let's go further back. Right. Can you still see it on the screen? Look, it's there. Let's hold it up. No, can't hear anything. Let's move forward a bit. No, it's not recognised it. So I think where he was to start with, which is here. Oh, it's not doing it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my feet, that's about like 11 feet, or 11 James feet that it activates from. We cannot walk around London taking photos without taking a photo of the sign that you see the most, road closed. This restaurant here, I had maybe like one of the best dishes of noodles I've ever had. I can't pronounce them, they're like the bang bang noodle things. Look at this. Look at the big thing, look at the big display. Let's take a picture of this. Look, these are the noodles, so you gotta have these. Look at it. It's like this thick noodles. Trust me, try it and thank me later. Ah, wildlife. Look, what are these lions? Definitely got to get them. We've got to get these food trucks with the bridge behind. So if we do it like here. There she is. If you want to see me and a Pocket 4 on a speedboat, speeding through this bit, well, speeding after that bit, then watch the video like above or below after this video. Yeah, we did a full tour of the Thames with the Pocket 4. Oh, that's the Shard. Look, can you see it? That one is, okay, That is the Shard, right? So we were not close earlier. Well, we went too far, but yeah, I got the buildings mixed up. But I might as well get a picture of that one. Let's zoom in 2 times. There we go, beautiful. Right, obviously we got to get one of the bridge from this side. You know what, I've actually really enjoyed walking around London snapping away. I felt like a little tourist, snap, snap, snap. But it has felt a little bit weird. Not in a bad way, like it hasn't felt bad weird. I think it's like a mental thing, mainly down to like the shape of the camera, right? I think because I'm so used to taking a picture with like a rectangular device. I know this sounds weird, but take a few photos with the 403 or whatever, and like, you might see what I mean. I think it's because like when you hold an actual camera, like let's say the Action 6, if you're taking photos on that, like it's kind of like an actual camera in the way that it's like designed, right? So you've got the button on top. So it feels somewhat like normalish. This just felt a little bit weird because of how, yeah, because you're really doing it. But like I said, not bad weird. The question is, would I like replace my phone with the Pocket 4 to take photos? I'll be honest with you, probably not. But again, not for anything bad, just because I just don't know why I would. Like, why? I'm trying to picture a moment where I'd be like, you know what? I think I'd take a picture of the Pocket 4 over the phone. Maybe I would, maybe I would. I don't know actually, maybe I would. Maybe I would. But if my phone ran out of battery or I left my phone at home, which neither of the two ever happened. Oh shit, it's raining, it's about to rain, we better hurry up. Gotta put this camera away. If I, yeah, none of those two ever happened, but if they did, you know what, I'd be confident knowing that actually the pictures coming out of the Pocket 4 are somewhat decent. So anyway, super photos. Are they super photos? Or are they not super photos? Let me know down below.